Hello guys, it's my day 5 in Lancaster, UK, and today it's drizzling a bit out here. So the climate here is very cold and the wind is also going on very strong, so it's very hard to walk right now. So today there is a week off in the college because there are some sports activities and events going on. I have my friends and colleagues there in the campus, so heading out towards the campus so that we can check what's going on there and have a great day today. So let's see what keeping there. Just entered the campus a bit late and the queue was so long that I didn't have any courage to stand in that queue. So was just waiting in the middle with my friends and exploring the stalls which didn't have queue. So just after finishing checking out some store, we went near a pond and my friend wanted to check the depth of the pond. जंप मार के देख ले एक बार. एक देख, एक ब्लू है, एक ग्रीन.
काफी क्यूटी है. देखो मैंने इन लोगों को चैलेंज किया था एक बतख को उठा के.
जा जा एक बार देख.
वो नहीं भाई.
ब्लॉग में डाल देता. So this was the second time we were trying luck on spinning the wheel, and my friend had already won 2 pints of beer earlier, and now he won ketchup again. Thank you. I will also get the same.
उल्टा कर लो.
Now it was time for a free slice of pizza. Just
देखा भी नहीं मैंने.
yeah. So now it was time to play Jenga, and the rules are pretty simple. So we have to remove a piece of block from the bottom and place it at the top. The game continues until and unless the pile of blocks is fallen by someone. So it was a pretty intense fight and it was around 5 to 7 minutes long, and both the players were giving tough competition to each other. So now the game was in its final stage and I can see the blocks already shaking a bit. So, oh, here we go. So my friend lost the game at the end, but nevertheless it was a very good fight. So while I was posting the video and everything, so I was getting suggestions and comments from the friends and the followers stating that they wanted some information on the immigration, because immigration is a trendy topic which is going on, and lots of people are worried that what will be the immigration questions, will I clear the immigration or lots of other stuff. So basically my immigration experience was pretty chill because in Mumbai I boarded the flight from Mumbai, India. So there in the domestic process no one asked me that much questions for the immigration. But yeah, there was some question in the international airport while checking out from UK. In Manchester they asked me pretty simple question. Just there were 3 questions. Where are you staying? What are you studying? And is this your first time in UK? And also yeah, they asked me how you are managing your expenses, how you are planning your finances. So this all questions were asked to me, but it was pretty chill. Oh my god, it's really very cold out here. Oof. I had friends who faced some problems in the immigration. Actually they were holded back and they were told to check their luggage, and they investigated their luggage, check what all they have brought. So in the entire process, if you ask my suggestion, then there is nothing to worry about if you are moving to UK legally. So if you are an illegal immigrant, then there is a chance to worry about. But yeah, if you are a legal immigrant, then you have answers to all the questions. Just don't be nervous. Just tell them whatever it is, and yeah, you won't face much of a problem. The basic questions are you planning to work here? What are your plans after studies and stuff? So basically I came here for education, so I told them clearly that education is my main priority, and I hope everyone coming for education have the same answer in their mind. So that's a suggestion from my side as well. And also the if you have a cash letter, and I have taken an education loan, so basically if you have a education loan sanction letter, then there is not much of a problem. So I have friends who are coming with personal savings, so I am not sure, but I think they have to keep some amount in their bank account for 3 months, so that the government can see the finances are stabilized, and yeah, the person can survive in UK. So signing off for today. Had a fun day tonight, and if you like the content, please like, share and subscribe, and follow your boy Gaurav, and show some love and be a part of my journey. Thank you and have a great day.